In today's air fryer series, we are going to be making delicious kale in the air fryer. Now, kale is one of those foods that has earned its superfood status. So if you want to make a delicious side of kale to go with your meal plan or just to munch on in the evening with all the different flavorings that you can do, stick around for the next few minutes. I'm going to show you my recipe, and I hope it inspires you to start eating clean and start incorporating using your air fryer to get these healthy meals into your body. If you're enjoying all my air fryer videos, make sure that you are subscribed and make sure that you check out my playlist of air fryer foods, because my goal is to get people to start being more intentional with what they're putting into their body. And I think utilizing the air fryer is a great place to start. So let's go put this one together. So to get started, simply put your 2 cups of kale down into a mixing bowl. Drizzle the extra virgin olive oil over the top. You do not want to use too much. You just want it to be very lightly coated. Mix that in. And then, of course, the seasoning possibilities are endless. I like to use a tablespoon of my gut health spice jar. I'll link that video right over here in case you haven't learned what the components are for this. But that goes to work at your gut health. If you've been following my channel at all, you know this is what takes care of that inflammation that's been built up in your body and is really going to get you incredible weight loss results. And of course, I always add a little bit more garlic powder, because once it gets mixed in with all the spices, I feel like the garlic kind of doesn't come out ahead, and I want the garlic to be front and center. So mix that in. So once you have that all fully coated, you're simply going to bring it over to the air fryer. The air fryer temperature for kale is going to be 4 to 7 minutes. So we'll start at 7, and I'm just going to check it halfway through at 350 degrees. So dump the kale right down into the tray. Give it a nice shake. Place it in your air fryer, 350 degrees, 7 minutes, and we'll check back halfway. All right, so you can see that we're at the halfway mark, so we're just going to pull it out and we're going to see what we're working with. It's getting nice and toasted. It just shakes up. It's such a great side dish, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it in for a few minutes longer. And we're down to the last few seconds. We can go ahead and pull it out. And look at that delicious, crispy, air-fried kale. Perfect side dish. It doesn't get easier than that. I wish you guys were here to smell this. Go ahead, pour it into your side dish here. The perfect texture, almost like a chip. You can add your seasonings. I've seen people do it with cinnamon, cayenne pepper, nutritional yeast. I'll put a list of different ways that you can cook up your kale. Just be intentional to get this into your body. And remember, if you want to start incorporating this into a macronutrient meal, I'll also post that right here. And if you're enjoying all of these air fryer videos, be sure to check out my playlist. So quick and easy. I love making all of these air fryer recipes. I hope you guys are enjoying them. Thank you so much for coming back week after week. I hope it's inspiring you to eat clean. I'll see you in the next one.